And here we are again. This is Matty Mac from the AusAffiliate.com. We're just going to dive into, haven't done this in a couple of weeks, just see what new Clickbank offers there are. We're going to check the ones that have just recently been released, and therefore we might be able to get ahead of the rest of the pack. So this is what I like to do every couple of weeks, just to see what new things have come out. All you need to do is jump in and see what is in the marketplace, of course. Just click the search button open and then adjust your date to the last couple of weeks. Just see what's happened over the last couple of weeks, so 3 or 4 weeks. And these are the offers that have just dropped, and hopefully no one else has really gotten on board yet, and you can beat people to the punch. So we can just scroll through the list depending on what you are promoting, of course. So we'll just go, the top one's an advertisement, National Prayer Coin, a Trump 2024. Now this is something to think about. Let's just have a look at this. So of course all Trump stuff is pretty much gone, except he will be making another run in 2024, so we think. This is your chance. You can set up like a niche website and niche it all around Trump 2024, and when people start searching for Trump 2024, you're gonna hit the jackpot, more or less. So so even if you can put a bit of effort in for the next 4 years or 3 years, that's really gonna come to fruition, I think. Let's just check this out. So we've seen we've seen all the other Trump coins and things. We know what they're about, and this is obviously just a new one. So called the Revenge Tour. That's looks like a free plus shipping deal. So this is something that's going to be up there for the next 3 or 4 years, and if you can establish a complete niche website and call it, something off the top of my head, Revenge Trump or Trump 2024 or something like that, you'll be onto something pretty much straight away here. So that's something to think about if you're into that sort of offer, that sort of thing. Yeah, take America back. Oh yeah, cool. So that's just one. What do we got? Health and fitness. Another keto diet plan. How to make money driving muscle cars, hot rods and classics. That's a little bit out of the ordinary. Let's see what that is. I haven't gone through these, so. Buy all these cars and rent them out. Tactics, of course, of how got a hold of all those cars. Yeah, okay, I'm not really sure what that's going to be about, but if that's your passion, that might be ideal. Blogger's roadmap, so again, sort of business, e-business, how to start make money blogging, things like that. It's not bad. Video sales letter, very powerful. I always say it. A video on your sales page is really good. So it's an ebook. I'm a dude that's done it, and he'll teach you how to do it. Pet de-stress. Your pet, so pet lovers. If you're promoting the dog thing. How to build YouTube authority. So people are always chasing that sort of thing. Remember, these are all brand new, so you can get out ahead of everyone else with these. Mega tipsters, if you're into betting systems, I'm quite against that, but That's an overseas one. Remember, you can adjust and just go English if you just want English or whatever language you're in. My doggy style life. That could be misinterpreted, I guess. My doggy style life. Yeah, okay. I assume that's a pet thing, but let's just have a look anyway. They will have no doggy nose prints on their car windows. You know, without hair on their clothes. That's only $10. What new niche? With a funnel. Now, you should always be using a funnel, of course, and you should absolutely be capturing emails no matter what you're promoting. Send it to an opt-in page, capture their emails, and then send to the offer. It's very important. Make sure you're building your email list. It's very easy to do. I've got some training on it, I'll put it down below. Some free training on just how you can set it up, but whatever you're doing, make sure you're catching emails. So that's an animal loving one, obviously. What else we got here? Heat map stocks, the stock market, if you're into the stock market thing. Vista Clear, don't even know what that's about. Okay. Health and drugs. Not something that I promote, but if that's what you're into, Brainwave Club, self-help, yeah. Health and fitness again. Mastering native ads. Now, native ads can be very, very profitable if you know what you're doing. But for most people, they dive in, they spend a bit of money on native ads, they never make money, and they get turned off by it. But I know people that have quite a lot of success, that they know what they're doing, they know what to look for, and they know what to use. So that might be a good one just to take and do yourself. You're doing 75% commission, so you're only paying 25% of the price. Mega DVD. Self-help. More weight loss. So there's a few in there. There's the last couple of weeks. 5% sales blueprint. Business plan. So every entrepreneur needs a business plan. Monetize your e-commerce. There's a lot of the make money stuff is in here. New order, new items. Flipping furniture. Pandemic proof, so people are starting to lock onto that pandemic thing. How we can pandemic proof things. It's dating. Dating guide for couples. Sleep. More health. And bedroom be a boss. So it's relationships. Health, wealth and relationships, that's what they're all about. And that's it. So that's for the last couple of weeks. So there's some new ones there, there's some good ones. You can certainly do something with those. If nothing else, you can pick a new one and send it through to your existing list, and they wouldn't have seen it before. So at least you know they wouldn't have seen stuff before, so you'll be the first one to get it out to your list. So in the past, of course, as I always mention, you've been building your list, so you've got your email list, and all you need to do is take that, send it to your email list. Doesn't cost you a thing, and hopefully it'll be the first one that they've seen, that item. And yeah, if you make a sale on it, you'll be the first one to make a sale on that as well. So there's no reason not to do it. You should jump in. As I said, I will leave some training down below if you want to set this up. It's very easy to set up, but you must be building your list. I keep saying this. Make sure you're building your list, creating your own email list, so that you've got your own traffic that you can direct anywhere you want. Send them whatever you want. It's very easy to do, and you must be doing it. So I'll send that below, but jump into it. Leave a message below letting me know what you're going to try and promote, and if you need any help, any questions, by all means, let us know. And please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe if you haven't already, because there's lots more videos to come, and good luck with it. If you're interested at all at affiliate marketing or entrepreneurship, be sure to click the link right below and go through to the Oz Affiliate website and join the mailing list. There's going to be heaps of bonuses and information that you can use, tools, things like that. Go ahead, jump through there, click on, and just enter your details. That'll put you on the mailing list, and you'll be given access to a whole bunch of resources for you to use and learn. When you come through, be sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel. That way you'll get information as soon as it's released. Like the Facebook page. Again, if you're a Facebook junkie, make sure you jump onto that page, and then jump into whatever avenue that you want to learn more about. If you want to learn more about affiliate marketing, this will take you through here, the 30-day challenge. In the 30 days, just 30 days, you can have an up and running online business in your own niche. Whatever you're good at, whatever you're an expert in, this is what you want to build a business around that, something that you know and are passionate about. That will show you step by step, 1 hour a day for 30 days, you'll have it up and running. If you need any references to books, your favorite entrepreneurs, go through the search there. Clickbank training, if you're a Clickbank affiliate, plenty of training available there. Some free books, there's a couple of free books. The new one, Traffic Secrets, you can get that for free just by clicking this link. There's also the .com secrets and expert secrets. Lead generation, if that's what you're after. Some more marketing secrets for Clickbank. SEO, your own website, so of course you have to learn SEO. If you want to build your own email list, things like that. If you want your own ready-made funnel, so just a funnel that you can plug your information in, give it your own spin, send traffic to and earn money, that's a ready-made funnel ready to go. All available. Building your own landing pages, things like that, all there for you. And of course the Oz Affiliate tools, exactly all the tools that I use in my business. So everything available there for you to use. All you need to do is click the link below, join the newsletter, and go exploring. Find all the information that you want. Do that now. It's worth joining.